Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to play games in Discord. So to get started, first of all go ahead and tap on the Discord application, and once you are inside the Discord application, create a new voice channel. Suppose here I'm creating a new voice channel. I'm naming it Sweet. Click on the next option, then add a members. Here I'm choosing this and hit the create option. Now as you can see, your voice channel has already been created as Sweet. Open the voice channel and make sure to join the voice and go to the chat box. And when you are inside the chat box, in the message box type in /activities Sweet, which is my channel name, again activity, and you can select the game name you want to play. Suppose here I'm choosing Poker Night, and as you can see here it is shown that click to open Poker Night in Sweet. I have clicked here, and here you can see once I have clicked here, the Poker Night has been already appear on the top of the screen. Here I can play the Poker Night game easily. So this is how you play games in Discord. So if you found the video to be helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you in another video. Goodbye till then.